Hey guys, so I'm back here to talk about today the Carbon app. This is not a tracking app, okay? If you say that, Layne will come for you. So what I'm gonna do today is we're gonna talk about the app. I'm gonna go over what I like, but let me just say, it's freaking awesome. So stay tuned, let's go. I hope you like this video. Like and subscribe. Hey guys, so today I wanted to talk to you about the Carbon app. First things first, this is not a tracking app. This is a coach in an app, $10 a month, or you can pay for the year $80. This is not like MyFitnessPal at all. It's a coach, and it just so happens to have a diet diary in it, whatever you want to call it. Don't look at this like another MyFitnessPal. There's someone that has goals. Do you want to figure out your maintenance calories, cut? Do you want to bulk? What do you want to do? This app can do it all. It is actually really awesome. The layout is amazing. There's so many different aspects to it, so let's get started. Okay, so first thing you want to do is download the app, Carbon. And once you get into the app, you're gonna see there's the diary option, the coach, just settings about me, and then other settings you can look through. So first thing that you would do is you would set your goal, and then from there you choose fat loss, mass gain, maintenance, or reverse dieting. So let's see, so click create a goal. What is your goal? Lose weight, gain weight, maintain, or reverse diet. So the fact that you can do all these things for $10 a month is amazing. For example, I did some coaching with a team a couple years ago, and it was $200 a month. The coaching was not great. They just threw some random macros at me and then barely talked to me ever again. So I love this app. So I'm gonna click lose weight because that is my goal. Female, my birthday. I weighed myself this morning. I'm 145.6 and my goal weight. So I would put whatever your goal weight is, but honestly, everything is gonna come down to how you look in the mirror, obviously, and your measurements. So I'm gonna put, let's just say like 135.6. I don't know. Let's just see. I don't know my body fat. Waist, oh, I didn't know I was gonna have to do that. Okay, so if you don't know your body fat, which I don't know mine at the moment, it says measure the distance around the smallest part of your waist just above your belly button. It's gonna be like, yeah, we'll go with 28. Okay, so after you put in your waist measurement, it's gonna ask you rate your metabolism. I'd go with a normal. And then from there, describe your lifestyle. This is lifestyle outside of the gym. So I do have a desk job. I barely ever go anywhere. I mean, I think I might start walking though, like it's pretty sad. I'm like cardio and weights a few times per week. I'm definitely moderate. I'd go about 4 to 5 days a week, so we'll go with that. How fast do you want to lose weight? So keep in mind, this will affect how low your calories are to start. That's what it, yeah, that seems fine. I don't want to do any more. You know, you can always change your settings. So next, what diet do you prefer? Let's just go with balanced and then decide from there. So it's gonna ask you if everything looks okay. It estimated my body fat at 18.9. I feel like that's not right, but whatever. Okay, create goal. So it's calculating your macros. I think it has the cutest screen. Oh, okay. What's next is you can change your diet preference. So reduced carb would be 66 carbs, 69 fat. That's pretty low carb, but if that's your goal then, and you can stick to it, then that's awesome. And then you get higher fats. So it's kind of just up to you. Just because as a woman, I normally eat around like 50 grams of fat minimum. And then it's gonna lower my carbs a bit. With your goal, you can do maintenance, reverse, or lose weight. I'm gonna lose weight. It just gave me my calories, 1,400. That is really low for me personally. Stick with it. So you check in every morning, put in your weight in the app, and then from there, Carbon is going to see, okay, did she go over the 1.2 pounds per week? If she did, then we're gonna bring her some more macros, give her some more food. We don't want her to lose too much weight too quick. That's why this app is great, because it is a built-in coach. It can determine if you're losing too fast. Okay, let's add more carb, fat, protein, calories, whatever it is. And if you're not losing at all, then something's wrong here. But that's only if you're checking in and you're being compliant to the macros. So if I lost 1.5, but I wasn't following my macros at all, it's gonna say you were not compliant. We need you to stick with these numbers until you can, and then we can determine the science behind this. Like, are these macros working? Are they not? So you need to be compliant in order for this app to work. And that is why I love this app, because it forces you to be compliant and stick with your macros, or else the coaching mechanism doesn't work and doesn't understand what you're doing. You need to follow the macros given to you. And no tracker is 100% accurate. Like, you need to, once you scan in, make sure, okay, does this Go Macro Bar match these macros? If not, then you can go in and you can modify it, and you can go here and like change the protein, change the carbs, whatever it is. So the magic of that is great. You would have to pay premium for MyFitnessPal, which ends up being the same cost, but you don't get the coaching mechanism. Another awesome feature of this app is the planner. So here you have Sunday to Sunday, your full week, and you can edit your ratios. So let's see, you can modify your ratios, go over to a certain day. So let's say I knew Monday I had a work party and we were gonna have a bunch of pizza. And I'm like, oh, I am going way over those macros. So I'd give myself more calories that day. You can adjust it. And then as you can see, the other days are changing the numbers. So your weekly average stays the same and you're on target for your goal. Again, this is a coaching app, not a tracking app. Thing you can look at is the coach tab. So right here we have the starting weight was 145.6. And then it says when my next check-in is. You can change the check-in dates too, whatever is easier. And then you're gonna add your weight. It gives Carbon more information about you and how you're fluctuating and what maintenance calories are. Just the more information you give the app, the better. And then once you get to your check-in date, and it'll ask you, were you compliant? And it'll show your average carbs, fat, and protein and calories. And then you'll click yes, and then it'll give you your new macros. Whether if I lost more than 1.2, I get more food, which is awesome. Or if you didn't lose any weight and you were compliant, they're gonna drop down your food a little or leave it the same. So I just think this coaching mechanism is awesome. And there's also a Facebook group. There's 7,000 members in the Facebook group, and everyone there is super, super helpful, super nice. I ask questions all the time and they answer them. But again, they do have a support team. They're there to help you. They know you're paying and you're a customer. If you're dieting and you're trying to cut, every calorie matters, seriously. So if you click macro calories, it says, please note, alcoholic items in the database may not be displayed, blah, blah, blah. I don't really drink, so no big deal, but that's another day, another story. Alcohol macros, so alcohol will have like, it'll say like 100 calories on there, but it'll say 0 fat, 0 carbs, 0 protein, because alcohol it's a poison, it's not a nutrient for your body. So that's a whole nother thing. So you click okay, and then your diary will then display the calorie macros instead. And I just think that is so awesome. So anyways, this is how you get started on Carbon. You can adjust your weight, your body fat if you figure it out. You can change it whenever you want. That's the beauty of this. What I love about Carbon is that it forces you to be consistent. If you're not consistent, you're not compliant, your macros will not change and you're not utilizing the beauty of the coaching method. Let me know what you guys think of the app. Let me know if you have questions. And again, this is not a tracker, okay? Layne did a whole post on it. So this is not a tracker, this is a diet coach, and it happens to have a tracker in it that works even better than MyFitnessPal from my point of view. I suggest you guys download it, pay for a month, see if you like it, and then cancel it if you don't. Join the Facebook group. Let's just see what happens. I think it's great. I will do another video if I finally do meet my goal weight. I am working on being more consistent. I did take a little bit of a break, but I'm back on the app. I'm ready to go, ready to lean out, and I just think Carbon is awesome. I'm all about budgeting, saving money, and I know that a lot of people are as well. So give it a go. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have questions. I did go over this pretty quickly, so I hope you guys get the gist of it. Please like and subscribe. I am trying to get to 1,000 subscribers this year and enough watch time so I can start making some coins from YouTube. So I really appreciate it if you guys could subscribe. I hope you have an awesome day. Again, let me know if you have questions. Bye.